my underwear.
That's J.
No, just put...
Yung brief niya, LJ, may butas. Sa hole.
Ay, nilip po kay Kuya Matt yan.
I make sure I got all the clean underwear.
Kuya Matt's one is almost bacon already. So, underwear?
Sabi ko, ano eh, kinukuha ko.
Sabi niya, ang smart ko. May hanger ako.
Nakakainis sa mga TSA. Alam mo yun? Yung
Kuya Matt, Maricar said your brief has a hole in it. Your boxers.
No, there's not.
Too much drying and washing. You just washed it this morning. How come you wash it again tonight? You only get two briefs. Almost bacon na Kuya Matt.
It's the first wash. Those are new.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I saw those this morning. Is this your shoes too? Adidas?
Is this your shoes?
Pala mamati yun.
I told you that's her. That's him.
Watch. There's a hole in the butt crack.
Where? Where?
Oh, right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Oh.
Where? Where? These are new.
And
Ay, you have a panty too?
brown na yata is high.
Shrink already. One side.
Just underwear.
She said, put it over your mustache, but the time you take it
And fire for the Messiah!
He looks like one prestige.
No, si Falcon.
Falcon.
Yung Robin na yan. Hindi! Alam mo sino yan? Kuya Kim yan. Kuya Kim, anong weather ngayon? Ulan ba, Kuya Kim? Kuya Kim, ang dami mo ng baga.
Ayon sa ulap, ay uulap ng isa.
Lasos ko.
Kaya to?
Kuya! Asan na mga anting-anting mo? Ang daming anting-anting
Ano
ni
yung
Kuya
sarobski
Kim.
ko?
Ano yan, Dea? Bakit ang liit-liit? Hindi kasya sa akin. Sinusuot ko. Sabi ko, sing-sing ba to? Kuya, hindi na matatanggal yan. Hindi nga pumapasok eh.
What in the mighty is this?
Diba? Single ladies daw. Oh. Mukha ka na yung mga pinapanood mo, kuya.
Ah, ito ba yung Swarovski? $4 lang to eh. Ba't pinatago-tago mo to? Pinatago-tago mo to, Carla? $4 lang to.
Sa akin yung kuya kay Dea yan.
What's in my bag?
Wala, nag-bag raid na siya. Bakit napagtripan ni kuya yung bag ko?
Ito yung ano, digital ni ano, group.
Kuya, si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Jacob na
Tagal pa nito ni Kuya Matt, no? Parang 30 minutes, bro.
Good, I played basketball.
You last month, I heard.
Yeah, it's okay. I was playing my feet.
Ano mo na 45 minutes?
I still. Guys,
Pakabasak mo! Bakit nagbasa na ako? Wala ka na kuya, magpatak na ako.
You're a great singer.
Y'all chose fashion and fat? 2 Fs.
Thank you.
What can you say, Tito?
What I would like to say is, I would like some space. Pahilot kaya, pahilot.
Baka nagbawas sa magic ball.
Massage. Sa SM sa kanila.
Dahil naman! Yung may dugo!
Kawawa naman to. Sino bang pamilya?
What did the basketball do to you? Nanalo ba kayo, kuya? Nanalo.
Dapon lang. Lahat.
Yeah.
Dapon na naman.
Wala, hindi na nag-follow yung camera.
Madumi.
Visa.
I'm not working hard.
Yeah!
Wabot mo to. Wabot mo. Dali mo. Binulong ko lang. Pillows calling you. Go to bed.
What's that? Yeah. Anong ginagawa mo?
Sabi niya, one more thing for
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, bye. See you guys at camp. Bastos.
Ali, come here. Kuya LJ likes it.
But what?
Doon lang talaga. Man, who can be moved?
Dapat one day in camp, we should all wear camo, bro. Wala akong camo day.
Wala din akong kamo. I choose not to have kamo.
Ate Abby.
Happy birthday.
Matt, you're my shot. Kiraro my shot.
Sorry.
Aman.
These are nice. Are these prescriptive? No, they're not.
Okay, for a good night. See you guys later.
What time, Kuya Matt?
8 o'clock.
Look, Daddy. Oh, diba? Yung green, yung ginger. Oh, sarap. Sarap.
I was about to show him the video.
Inggit.
Either because I heard I
Nah.
was like,
Can you say?
I was just a couple times.
Elevation worship.
Guys, she's such a liar.
No, I didn't buy
She
this
said-
at Gia.
She said she bought just one.
Bakla, maglaba ka na. I already have that. That's elevation.
Si Dea, no? Parang kapal ang mukha. Parang hindi kakapal ang mukha. Yung makapal din ang mukha ng mga kasawa niya.
Nice. Orientation, di naman nakinig.
I haven't seen you guys at all today.
Yeah, we had fun.
Why is everything mine?
Forgot that you had I had your.
Wala na, hindi ka na-fan. Ano ba naman yan? Ate Abby, do you have my hat? Wow!
Ito na siya ngayon, guys.
Natulog na si Kuya.
Okay, because okayness is the...
Wearing the...
God, it's stretchy!
He's coming!
Charlie D'Amelio.
Guys, wala na tayong toilet paper.
Friend mo man, be. From...
Ay, ganito kasi, Carla. Bakit na?
Sige.
Bakit nakakapit ko ba?
Bakit lumapit ko sa'yo?
Ate, say hi.
Teach siya.
Abe.
Mama! Sige po.
Hi, this is me trying all the filters. So, bear with me. Hi, mommy.
It's fun today. It's fun. It's fun today. It's fun.
This is us before camp.
Oh, eh. Oh, sige.
Sige, I found that.
Sarabing babayan.
Acting this is tattoo holiday. And right now,
Di ba pati yun ang pinili mong bonda?
50 pounds per person.
Uy, pati na.
Tan, 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 tan. My little pony, my little pony. La! Dani, antay-kulog, antay!
May nakain si Dea na naging energetic. Ay, yung
So, $50 yun. Sabi ko, no need.
Oh, 50% nakalagay.
hindi sa off pala yun.
Pero, I'm not gonna pay $50 for sure. So, dapat 50% yun kasi bumili kang isa.
Hindi, isa lang. Pasitos blessed to hindi to American.
Yan.
Yapping,
Hi, I'm so excited to wait. At fire!
This will be my first and last video of this week. Here we go.
That game.
Camera.